Hello guys, welcome to Code Studio. In this session, we will try to learn how to filter our pandas data frame using conditionals. The advantage of storing data as a pandas data frame is that we can slice and dice it in multiple ways. In some cases, you may want to subset a pandas data frame according to the values in a certain columns. In a sense, we would like to select a rows based on one or more values present in a column. The filtering is the first thing people do when they start a pandas project. So it is an important skill to have. So let's get started. So here is a gap-minded data set, okay, with these many columns. Okay, on this data set, we will try to apply the filtering condition and see the results. Now let's open the Jupyter Notebook to read this data set. Okay, so this is my Jupyter Notebook. I have already imported the data set in my local machine. Now to read the data set, I like to import the pandas library. So let us import. So now create a data frame to read the data set. Okay. So data set is in a CSV format. So we will use the function called read CSV and file name. Now let's check the data. Now we can see the data in a data frame. Now let us check the data frame shape using shape method. Okay, so basically data frame having 1700 rows and 6 columns. Now let's perform the filtering condition on this data set. Okay, so the first requirement is find the rows of data frame with year of 2000. To find the data frame of year of 2007, okay, we can apply a Boolean expression on this data frame and they get the results. Now let us see how to apply a Boolean expression. So here is your data frame. Okay, inside your data frame, now write a Boolean expression to apply this condition. Okay, so on year column, we need to apply the condition. So here is the condition. So basically this expression will act as a Boolean expression which gives the results in form of true or false. Okay, whatever the rows will match. So let's see what the result gives. See this. Now we can see all the data frame having 2007 year only it is showing. So out of 1700 rows, it fetched around 142 rows, which matches the year of the 2017. Now let's see the next example. Now we need to apply a filter to fetch the data frame, okay, which does not fall under 2007. To filter this criteria, just copy this command and apply not equal sign and run the results. Now you can see the results. Okay, so using Boolean expression, we can apply the filter condition to filter the rows. Now let us see one more requirement. In this requirement, we need to find the rows or data frame, okay, whose column value is not NA or NaN or not null. To get this solution, in pandas we have a function called not null. Using that function, we can apply and find the rows with not null values. In our example, we will try to find apply the criteria on year column and see the results. So first of all, you get the column. Now there is a function called not null. Using this method, okay, we can get the rows, okay, of year having not null values. Now we will see the next requirement. That is, find the rows of data frame based on the list. In this case, the list values will be given, and on list of values, we need to apply the filter condition and fetch the results. In this example, we will try to find the rows of year of 2002 and 2007. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I'll create one variable. Now I'll apply this variable as a filter in a filter condition to fetch the results. To apply a filter on a list, okay, we have a function in pandas called isIn. Using isIn function, we can apply a filter on the range or a list of values. Now let us see how to apply the filter condition using a isIn method or function. df here, and the method is isIn. Now we need to pass the range or list of values. So we have variable which is holding the list of values of 2002 and 7. Now let's run this and see the results. Now you can see the data coming for the year of 2002 and 2007 only. Okay, so using a function we can apply filter on the list of values. Now let us see the next requirement. Okay, here we have to find the rows of data frame based on the values not in a list. Okay, earlier it was on a list, now here it is on not on list. Okay, to perform this criteria we just need to copy the same piece of command, okay, and apply tilde character. So using this character, okay, we can apply negative filter to fetch the results. Let us see the results now. Now you can see, like, there is no data with relevant to the 2002 and 2007. Those are now excluded. That's all, guys. I hope you understood how to apply the filter condition on the data frame to find the desired results. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.